Alright, let's head out here. Holy cow. Here, I'm gonna show them how thick this is, how deep this is. Hold this real fast. Watch this, look. That's how much we got, holy cow. How many inches do you think that is?
It's supposed to be like probably 12 inches at least.
Holy sh! Damn, at least it didn't go in my shoes.
Woo! Yeah. It's worse on the East Coast. They say there's supposed to be 24-inch wave.
For real?
Yeah, East Coast. 12 to 24-inch waves.
Water, right?
Yeah, it's water. It's supposed to get storms, water storms.
Alright guys, welcome to the vlog today. What is today? Monday, right? Tuesday?
Tuesday. Today's
Tuesday. It's a lot of snow done hit the ground. So yesterday we had about 8 inches. Today we got about 12. This is crazy. It's like a snow globe out here. I'm already getting filled with snow. So you can look at this, Chris. This little area you try to do is already filled again. I mean, but actually you shoveling actually helped out a lot. Anyways guys, I'm gonna put my camera up before it gets too much snow in it. But we're heading up to Walgreens. We can't even drive in this. Plus, we don't have a vehicle right now because we got JD Byrider fixing ours. But guys, be safe out here because it's nasty. So we out. Whew. All right, guys. There's so much snow out here, man. We're pushing it though. Look at all that. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? It's insane. It's crazy walking in 12 inches of snow. It's kind of exhausting, you know. It's good for you, you know. Whew. Look at that. Holy shit. That's got to be higher than 12 inches for sure. Anyways guys, we're almost up here. This ain't too bad. It wasn't, it's not as bad as it was last night. Last night it was like raining and snowing at the same time. So we're out here guys. Love y'all. Stick with me. Peace. I don't know. What are you deciding on, bro? You getting the monsters?
Yep. Monster today.
What else? Those, I've always wanted to try these. The muscle milk. I think my mom had got one day and she said they taste just like
chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk. Kind of like chocolate milk but with different flavors, you know? These are nasty. I tried that before.
Yeah. But I tried the muscle milk when they first came out.
Did you?
Yeah, they taste like I tried the milk balls.
What else do we need?
I tried the ones that
how you doing? Guys, don't try to walk out in this. It's crazy out here. Look at this.
So bad.
Talk about a winter wonderland. This is it. This is global warming for you. Whew. Alright, so we just got done walking to the store, freezing our asses off, and now the sun wants to come out and it stopped snowing. What kind of crap is that? But it is beautiful outside right now. If you can see it, it is gorgeous out. The snow has stopped officially. It should be done, but now it's a beautiful day out. What's up, you guys? So this is the end of the day. It's beautiful out still. The snow has stopped. Check it out, guys. I'm gonna let y'all see it. Look at that view, guys. Some people will say that looks fake, but it's whatever, you know. It's all real, son. Anyways, that does it for the vlog, guys. Stay tuned to my channel. Love you guys. Peace.